Hello again. Here we need to just state whether these sentences are true or false. So let us go for the first one, which is saying that cutting a log of wood into pieces is a chemical change. Okay. So first of all, there is a cutting process involved. Okay. And henceforth, it is not a chemical process. So we can say that the first sentence is false because the shape and size is changing because of our cutting action. Okay, now let us go for the second one, which is saying that the formation of manure from leaves is a physical change. Okay, this sentence is also false because जब manure बनता है from leaves, it undergoes many chemical processes and henceforth we can say that it is a false statement. जो manure है उसके different compositions भी होते हैं. Okay, so that's why the second one becomes the false statement. Now let us go for the third one, which is saying that the iron pipes coated with zinc do not get rusted easily. And now we need to tell whether this statement is true or false. So the third statement is actually true because जो zinc होता है, it protects the pipe from oxygen as well as from moisture. Okay, so when it is protecting the pipe from oxygen and moisture, it is ultimately protecting the iron pipes with getting rusted easily. Okay, so that's why the third option, the third sentence is true. Now let us go for the fourth one, which is saying that iron and rust are the same substances. सो यहाँ पर आपका ये जो सेंटेंस है ये फॉल्स हो जाएगा बिकॉज जो आयरन है इट इज डिनोटेड बाय द सिंबल Fe and it will get added up with oxygen as well as water to form a substance Fe2O3.H2O, which is actually the rust. Okay, so as you can see, this Fe and this Fe2O3.H2O are two different things. Henceforth, they are not same, and henceforth your sentence is false. So the fourth one is false. Now let us go for the fifth one, which is saying that condensation of steam जो होता है, it is not a chemical change. By saying it is not a chemical change, it is saying that it is a physical change, right? And henceforth the sentence is true. How? Let us go and see this. So steam is actually in gaseous state, and while condensation, it is condensed into its liquid state. ठीक है, तो steam gas हो गया, and the water to which is the product of condensation is actual in liquid state, and henceforth this state conversion is a physical change. और यहाँ पर वही कहा गया है कि condensation is not a chemical change. So that's why this sentence is true. So we have completed our questions. The first one was false because shape or size change hota hai and it is a physical process. Second one false hai. Third one is true. Second last was false because iron and iron rust अलग अलग बात होती है. And the last one is again true because gas से liquid बनता है. So that's it for this question. I hope the concept is clear to all of you. Thank you for your attention.